I was thinking about way back when I thought I had it figured out. When I thought that I knew what to do and I didn't need you. I can't imagine if I stayed back. What would happen if I never found you? Those times were hard and all I did was resent.
안녕하세요 여러분. 오늘은 이렇게 좀 편하게 입고 다녀오려고 입어봤어요. 안에는 예전에 빈티지로 산 케이트의 니트 입었고요. 이렇게 무늬가 있는 다운 패딩을 입었어요. 여기에 리바이스 501 가방은 겨울이 가기 전에 양털 가방 열심히 들려고 다시 꺼냈어요. 여기에 운동화 신고 출근해 보도록 하겠습니다. 그럼 다녀올게요.
Going down.
before you didn't care about the party. Wishing all of these people would just head out so we can talk. I could tell by the smile when you asked where to write your name on my wall. Wish I met you at 16. Wish I could have taken you to prom. Better late than never.
Okay, small or large?
Spending days
Whichever
together.
medium burst or dark burst? Medium burst.
And singing songs, wondering what I did before you came along. Oh, you're just what I need. The best part of me. Somehow it keeps getting better. I waited forever, but better late than never. Better late than never. Good days and bad days, I know I can call you. 'Cause you always have answers to problems that I could never solve. Never met green eyes, I love to get lost in this much. Now all the time that we have left doesn't seem like it's enough. Better late than never. I see us spending days together, sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did before you came along. Oh, you're just what I need. The best part of me. Somehow it keeps getting better. I waited forever. All the love I made and lost before we met seems so far gone. I wish it wouldn't have taken so long, but better late than never. I see us spending days together, sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did for you came along. Oh, you're just what I need. The best part of me. Oh, it keeps getting better. I waited forever, but better late than never. Somehow it keeps getting better. I waited forever, but better late than never.
안녕하세요 여러분. 오늘은 이렇게 입고 출근을 해보려고 해요. 얼마 전에 언박싱했던 망고 자켓을 오늘은 가죽 사이드로 입어봤습니다. 안에는 이런 갈색 스웨터 받쳐있고 그레이 스키니진 입어줬어요. 가방은 이 블랙 빈티지 프라다 가방 매줬습니다. 오늘 메탈 트림이 다 은색이라 이 실버 이어링 해줬습니다. 오늘은 친구 생일 선물을 전해주려고 해서 이렇게 입고 선물 들고 다녀오겠습니다.
that way back when I thought I had it figured out. When I thought that I knew what to do and I didn't need you. I can't imagine if I stayed back. What would happen if I never found you? Those times were hard and all I did was resent you. Oh no, I don't want to go back. Oh, how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free. Ooh, this world accused me for my 1,000 crimes. I'm left in shame alone, but you tell me the truth. I'm so happy with you. Now I want to do good. Keep my covenant with you.
오늘 올리브 나무를 한번 보니까 이런 작은 새싹 같은 게 돋아있는데 이게 꽃인지 아니면 새로운 줄기인지는 모르겠지만 너무 귀여워서 한번 찍어봤습니다.